Sukiyaki Donburi is the beloved sukiyaki hot pot served as a rice bowl. Tender beef and vegetables cooked in a sweet and salty sauce, all poured over fluffy steamed rice. It's comforting, delicious bowl that feels a little special without any of the effort making an elaborate sukiyaki hot pot. Cut the beef into 2-inch wide pieces. You can use any cut of beef as long as it's thinly sliced. Remove the stems from the mushrooms and cut them in half. We are using shiitake, but you can also use other kinds of mushrooms. Slice the long white onion diagonally into half-inch thick pieces. A regular brown onion will also work nicely. Cut the shungiku into 2-inch length, or you can also use other leafy vegetables you have at home. Cut the tofu into 4 pieces. Heat the oil in a frying pan over medium heat, spread out the beef, and quickly brown it. You don't need to cook it through at this point. Add the vegetables, tofu, and mushroom. Season with sugar, soy sauce, and sake. And add the ito konnyaku shirataki noodles. And simmer for a few minutes. And add the shungiku and cook for a couple of minutes. Serve steamed rice in a bowl and top with sukiyaki. Pour a little bit of sauce on top and garnish with egg yolk. You can also top with some pickled red ginger if you like. Tender beef, plenty of vegetables, and all that delicious flavor soaked into fluffy steamed rice. Hope you give this a try soon.
美味しい。
美味しいね。